Do you want to add a watermark in your PDF file for free of cost? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. To add watermark in PDF file, first of all open google.com and type in add logo PDF without watermark. Scroll down, open this link ilovepdf.com. I will share you this link in the description of this video as well. Select a PDF file. This is the PDF file. So I will add a image. Click on place image, click on add image, search the image. This is the image which I want to add. You can select the position from here, top, bottom. I want it at the bottom and click on add watermark. Simply click download PDF file, open the file, and you can see at the bottom my name Praveen G Training is showing. So it is very good software and it is free of cost, and I hope now you will be do it, friend. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.